Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we bring you honest, expert reviews to help you make the best beauty choices. Today, we're diving into the Satin Smooth Professional Dual Wax Warmer Kit, a complete hair removal system designed for both face and body waxing. This kit comes from the United States and promises to deliver professional-level waxing right at home, with 2 warmers for hard and soft wax, plus pre- and post-wax care accessories to keep your skin smooth and cared for. Right off the bat, what's great about this kit is its dual waxing system, which means you can melt both hard wax beads and soft wax beads separately. A handy feature if you want flexibility in your hair removal routine. The kit includes everything you need: the wax warmers themselves, applicator sticks, and those all-important pre- and post-wax care products to soothe and protect your skin. The dimensions are compact enough for easy storage, and it's fairly lightweight, making it convenient for at-home use or even travel. When I started testing it, I appreciated how straightforward the setup was. The warmers heat up fairly quickly and maintain a consistent temperature, which is crucial for wax to spread evenly without burning the skin. Using the hard wax on my facial hair was surprisingly effective. It grips the hair well, but removes gently without too much irritation, which can be a real concern with waxing. The soft wax worked better for larger areas like my legs, offering a smooth application and solid grip on hair, so the removal was clean. One thing to note, the temperature control dial is basic but functional. It takes a little trial to get it just right for your wax type and skin sensitivity, but once dialed in, it's reliable. In practical terms, the inclusion of pre-wax cleansing and post-wax soothing items really elevates the experience. It's easy to skip these steps, but they make a big difference in reducing redness and preventing ingrown hairs. The kit's accessories feel professional grade, which is impressive at this price point. Now for the pros. The dual wax capability is a real standout, giving versatility for different waxing needs. The warmers are compact, efficient, and easy to clean, which is important for hygiene and longevity. The pre- and post-care products show the brand's attention to a complete waxing experience, not just the wax itself. Plus, it's designed for both face and body, so it covers most hair removal bases. On the flip side, the temperature controls could be a bit more precise. A digital readout or preset temperature settings would make it easier for beginners. Also, if you're new to waxing, it might take a couple of tries to get comfortable with the wax consistency and application time. And while the kit is comprehensive, it doesn't come with an instructional guide beyond basics, so you might want to supplement with some tutorials, especially if you're waxing sensitive areas. In terms of value, this kit sits in the mid-range pricing for home waxing systems, but considering it includes both hard and soft wax warmers, plus care supplies, it's reasonably priced. You're essentially getting a mini professional setup, which would cost a lot more in a salon per session. If you're someone who regularly waxes at home and values having all the essentials in one package, it offers solid bang for your buck. Comparing it to other kits I've tried, the Satin Smooth Dual Warmer outperforms single wax warmers by giving that flexibility. Some cheaper kits don't include post-wax care products, which means additional purchases down the line. On the other hand, high-end salon devices might offer more advanced temperature controls and faster heating times, but come at a premium price. So this kit strikes a good balance between cost and professional features. The build quality feels sturdy. The warmers have a sleek design with durable materials that don't feel cheap. The heating elements are reliable, and the kit stays functional over weeks of regular use without issues. Since waxing involves repeated heating and cooling, this durability is crucial. The pre- and post-wax items come in practical packaging that's easy to use and store. I haven't had any direct experience with customer support from Satin Smooth, but the brand is well known in the waxing industry and generally has a good reputation for customer care and product reliability. No recent product updates or reformulations have been noted, so you can expect consistent performance. If you're on a tighter budget but want a similar all-in-one experience, there are simpler wax warmer kits with just soft wax and fewer accessories available. However, they lack the dual wax flexibility and the soothing care items, so you'd need to buy those separately. For those new to waxing or looking for an easy starter kit, those might be a better fit, but they don't offer the same comprehensive setup. To wrap things up, the Satin Smooth Professional Dual Wax Warmer Kit delivers on its promise to provide a versatile and effective waxing experience at home. Its dual wax warmers, combined with thoughtful pre- and post-wax care, make it suitable for anyone looking to take control of their hair removal routine with professional tools. It's best suited for users who are somewhat familiar with waxing and want to invest in a durable, all-inclusive system. Beginners can definitely use it, but may need some patience and extra learning to perfect the technique. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching Beautyistic. If you've tried the Satin Smooth kit or have any waxing tips, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experience. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.